Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert time to decimal in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to calculate hours worked, track time for billing purposes, or analyze time-based data in a numerical format that's easier to work with in formulas and reports. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace or personal Google account. Once you've entered your login details, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your available files and folders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to perform the time to decimal conversion. This will open your Google Sheets file in a new window displaying all your data. For this example, we'll be working with time in and time out data, which is a common scenario when tracking employee hours or personal time logs. Now here's where the conversion formula comes into play. Click on an empty cell where you want your decimal result to appear. In this cell, you'll type a formula that calculates the difference between two times and converts it to a decimal format. Start by typing equal sign followed by an opening parenthesis. This begins your formula structure and tells Google Sheets you're performing a calculation. Next, click on the cell containing your timeout data. This selects the end time for your calculation. After selecting the timeout cell, type a minus sign. This symbol tells the formula to subtract the time in from the time out, giving you the duration. Now click on the cell containing your time in data. This completes the subtraction part of your formula. Close this subtraction operation with a closing parenthesis. Then type an asterisk, which is the multiply symbol. After the asterisk, type 24. This multiplication by 24 is the key to converting time format into decimal hours because Google Sheets stores time as a fraction of a day, and multiplying by 24 converts that fraction into hours as a decimal number. Press enter to execute the formula. You'll immediately see a decimal number appear in your cell, representing the time difference in decimal format. This number shows the hours between your time in and time out as a decimal value, making it much easier to use in further calculations or reports. To apply this formula to all your time entries, look for the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula. Click and hold this blue handle, then drag it downwards across all the rows where you have time data. As you drag, the formula will automatically copy to each row, adjusting the cell references accordingly and calculating the decimal time for each entry. And there you have it. You've successfully converted time values to decimal format in Google Sheets, making your time data much more practical for calculations and analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.